Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first, take the hairs and then using this hair rotating tool, we'll be rotating the hairs on the sides. Tie it from the bottom, fold it and fix it on the right side using this bun clip and your hair bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun clip on the rubber bands on the down part. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun clip and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this hair clutch on the hairs. Now tie the hairs from the bottom and fix the hairs inside the clutch and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs together by dividing them into two parts and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix it by folding it using the hair clutch like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be tying a high ponytail like this. So otherwise you can roll the hairs using the fingers like this and put it on the sides. Fix the bun clip on the top of the hairs and tie it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now roll the hairs and then fold it upward like this to make the bun. Fix it using the hair clutches and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and then fix it by folding it inside the clips one by one. Tie it together in the between and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and then fix the hair bun pin on the top of the hairs. Now tie it from the between and fold the hairs inside the hairs like this and fix it using the hair clips and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it using this bun clip. Put it on the right side like this and tie it on the top and fold it down and fix it using the bun pin or the bun clips and it's ready. Next, put the hair clip on the hairs. Now take small section of the hairs, roll them and fix it inside the clips one by one. Put two strands in the single clips like this and then on the sides put one strand of the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix it upward like this in the half. Now tie it from the bottom using a rubber band and fix it using the hair clutch like this and your buns are ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now take small sections of the hairs from the ponytail and roll them and fix it inside the clips. Now tie all the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun pin like this and your bun is ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now put this hair clutch by folding the hairs upward. Tie it from the bottom and fold it down and fix it using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, put this hair clip on the hairs. Now take side hairs from the sides and then roll them and fix it in the between like this. Now put the hairs on the alternative sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now using the bun clip like this or the blunt clutch, you can fold the hairs and fix it on the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now using the bun making tool, we will be rolling the hairs upward and fix it from the sides. Put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.